This 2015 Kia Sedona delivers a regular unleaded V6 automatic transmission. It's a IIHS top safety pick, and it delivers 24 highway and 18 city mile per gallon. With its dual power sliding doors, heated two-way lumbar front seats, 8 passenger seating, stow and slide, second and third row, sunshades, fabric, anti-soiling seat trim, backup assistant camera. This KKB Best Buy Awards finalist provides a smooth, quiet ride and is always a key element in family vehicles. Come check out this beauty and its amazing features at 2301 West College Avenue, or give us a call at 920-749-7979. We'd love to get you driving today.